everyone! Nice to see you again in this video with me, Stacy. How are you? Good? I hope everybody's good. Well, for today's lesson, we're going to learn about nature. Yes, it's nature. It's everything that we can see and find on our planet, that is, Earth. Yeah? And these things cannot be made by human. So who creates everything on our planet? It's God. Yeah? So God creates everything in this world, including those on our planet, just like trees, forest, sea, lake, river, animals, plants, waterfall, and many more. Now, I will show you some of the things that you can see in our nature. Are you ready? Let's check it out. Nature. They are animals, plants, and things that are not made by people. So who creates the animals, plants, and the things on the planet? It is God. God creates everything in this world. Just like the sky. The sky is made by God. It's part of the nature. During the day, we can see the sun, clouds, and sometimes rainbow. The rainbow looks beautiful. It has many colors. What about at night? What can we see at night in the sky? We can see the moon. It's shining. It brightens the night. And also stars. There are millions of stars in the sky. And this one is forest. Yes. So forest is made by God. Even though we can make forest, but we cannot make the trees. What else can we see in the forest, everyone? We can see bush. Yeah? It's wild plants on the ground, just like this. Bushes. And we can also see the leaves on the tree. Still in the forest, we can find stones in the forest, mushrooms, path is a narrow road, and flowers. In the forest, we can see a lot of trees. The trees has many leaves. And we can also find this kind of plant. It's vines. Yeah? Monkey likes to hang on these vines. What is this? It's river. River is part of the nature. It's flowing from the high place to the lower place. What is in the river, everyone? Well, there are fish and other animals that can live in the water. And what about this green here? It's grass. So there are usually some grasses along the rivers. And what is this, everyone? Yeah, it's waterfall. And this high place, it's mountain. Okay, you can go hiking on the mountain. And what is this white things on the top of the mountain? It's snow. Okay, so we have a bear here, everyone. So bear lives in the forest. And what is the house for a bear? The house is made of stone. It's cave. Yeah? So a bear lives in a cave. What about this place? It's full of sands. No water here. Or even if there is water, it's only little, very little. Sand is everywhere, and there's a lot of cactus here, and here is a rocky mountain. This place is very hot during the day and cold at night. It is a desert. Okay, now it's time to practice. Now let's see worksheet 1. In this worksheet, you have to read and copy these words properly. Now let's read all the words. It's river, tree, waterfall, vines, grass, flower. Now you copy this word 7 times. Okay, now it's done. Let's see worksheet 2. Let's read the instructions. Fill in the blank and copy the sentences on the space provided. So here everyone, you have to complete the sentence by writing the name of this picture. Here you have a flower, so you write here flower. Okay, and now try to read. I can see flower. I can see flower. And then you rewrite the sentence over here. Number 2. What is this? Yes, it's tree. So you write here tree. Then you read it. I can see tree. Then you rewrite the sentence over here. Number 3. What do you see here? It's grass. So you write grass here. Then read it. I can see grass. Then you rewrite the sentence here. Next, what do you see here? It's vines. Yes, you write vines here. Now let's read. I can see vines. Then you write the sentence over here. Next picture. What do you see here? It's a river. So you write river here. Now let's read. I can see river. Then you write the sentence here. The last picture. What do you see here? Yes, it's waterfall. So you write waterfall here. Now let's read. I can see waterfall. Then you rewrite the sentence here. Okay, now the last worksheet is worksheet 3. Plants or places of water. Write each word into the correct category. So here everyone, you will have to categorize the objects here into 2 groups. Group number 1 is plants and group number 2 is places of water. So have a look at this. The first picture here is river. Is river a plant or places of water? Yeah, it's a place of water because we can see water here. So you write river in this group. Next, it's tree. So you will write it in group 1 or group 2. Yeah, it's group 1. It's all about plants. So you write tree here. Next picture is vines. So vines is a plant. So we write here in group 1. Next picture is waterfall. Where should we write this? In group 1 or 2? Yeah, it's group 2, places of water. Write waterfall here. Next picture. It's a flower. So will you write it in group 1 or 2? Yes, it's group 1. It belongs to the plants here. Flower. Next picture. It's beach. So will you write it in group 1 or 2? Yes, it's in group 2. Beach is a place of water. So you write here beach. Next picture is lake. Lake is a place of water. So you write it in group 2. Lake. And the last picture is grass. Grass is green. So it goes here. Plants. Well done, everyone. Well, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Bye, everyone.